Good afternoon, guys.
Good evening.
Good evening. Thank you again.
It's 4:44.
It's 4:44.
Go.
No, you go.
I was gonna say we're at the Very Mickey Christmas party. It hasn't started yet. It starts at 6 and it's 4:44. But you're able to get in earlier.
Yes. We're gonna hear. I think this is our first time here. We don't know.
Yeah.
Probably
I'm
not.
Sure.
We're not sure though.
Show my outfit.
Oh yeah, look at her outfit.
Hey.
Looking nice. Looking nice. It's a squirrel. Oh my god.
He probably thought I was getting him something. I'm not getting you nothing. Don't come to me.
Squirrel. We're probably gonna go to the store first.
Let's go to the store.
Because it does get a little bit packed.
And I want to get everything done once everything starts.
Yes. Yeah. So that's right. Look like a whole dad. Yeah.
Fur babies.
Yeah. Only that's fur babies, but I don't know. Now I look like a kid. If I just put it up like this, I look like a kid. Like this. I like it. I'm keeping it. Sydney got her stuff.
I got a Disney shirt. It's like a little cute crop top.
Yep, and she has 2 pins, and we also got the pin locks, so it won't
I
fall
got
out.
1 pin.
What, you only got 1 pin? Oh yeah, she was gonna get the Wally one, but
I just got the Stormtrooper one because.
Oh, the pew pew.
Yes, because it reminds me of you.
But she did also get the pin locks, so when they won't fall out.
Yeah, because if you show them my bag.
Alright, so this bag is very full. Right? This bag is very full of pins.
So we're gonna have to start putting them on the ears, but
right
the pins are very sensitive and fall really easily, so I bought the pin locks.
My friends, happy holidays! Hey, fist bump!
Yes, sir.
Yeah!
Merry Christmas!
Thank you. Wow! This is really nice. Look at this.
I don't even gotta buy them.
The first thing is here is the Christmas.
It's Christmas tree cake. It is a red velvet brownie cheesecake with eggnog, buttercream, and spiced caramel. Topped,
Spice?
yeah, and it says topped with mini sugar Christmas lights. So that's dessert though. So that would be for after. This footlong right here is the holiday dinner dog. It's all beef hot dog with cranberry mustard, and savory stuffing funnel cake and cheese.
Alright, here we go.
I got a really close up angle of you chewing.
You can taste the funnel cake. And then the hot dog. Mainly just the funnel cake. I mean, now I can taste the cheese like towards the end.
And it doesn't taste weird though?
No.
Ah, at least you took the first bite. You made room for me.
What do you think? Is it good?
It doesn't actually, it like perfectly blends together.
I don't know. It's really good.
Yeah, it like perfectly blends together. I'm surprised.
Alright, we just got done eating
Yeah.
at Casey's Corner. Now we're gonna go to Adventureland. So we could go ride
Jungle Cruise?
so we could ride Jungle Cruise.
They have a holiday like special tour.
Yes, and then we could do also meet and greets depending who is there. Santa hat.
Hi guys, welcome aboard! Tonight we're gonna have some good old-fashioned holiday fun, and by good old-fashioned holiday fun I mean you're gonna help me find a shipment of toys that missed its target destination. Yeah. Didn't know you'd be working today, did you?
No.
Yeah, me neither. This is actually court-ordered. I don't have a choice. So, I'm glad you're laughing. I'm definitely doing time. So, ladies and gentlemen, please, I'm begging you, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat at all times. Parents, supervise those children. Children, Santa's watching. Ladies and gentlemen, wave goodbye to those nice people on the dock. Bye. And don't be rude. Wave goodbye to the naughty ones too. Bye, Skipper Melissa. I know what you did. Yes, she will, folks. That's why she's not allowed on the boat. Welcome aboard tonight. My name is Skipper Andrew. That's first name Skipper, last name Andrew, and I'm going to be your guide, your snake charmer, your lion tamer, your hippo wrangler, the son you never wanted, the brother you never had. And if you guys don't laugh at my jokes this evening, I'm going to personally put you on the naughty list, princess. It's going to be a great tour, I can tell. Anyway, here we have boats, baits, and bites. Usually they lure in the holiday crowds, but I can't see anybody. Canoe? Thank you, the jokes are all downstream from here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is an African bull elephant, the second most feared animal in the entire jungle. Oh, and here we have the first most feared animal in the entire jungle. That's his ex-wife. This is really awkward, let's move along. I could tell that really resonated with some of you guys. Don't worry, we're in the same boat. Now if you turn your attention to the front of the boat, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to see the most beautiful part of your tour. Clap! Don't stop. I am like Tinkerbell. I will die without attention. And now for the moment you've all been waiting for. The backside of water! Yeah! O2H! 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 Yeah, guys, that never gets old. Unless you're me. You know, here at the Jingle Cruise, we love our chemistry jokes, but guests complained that I told that one too often, so now I'm only allowed to make that joke periodically. That one's my favorite. Here we are in the Mekong, underwhelming. But the good news is it looks like we're heading into Santa's workshop. The off-campus location. Do keep your eyes peeled for any elves, maybe even Santa himself. The key word is keep your eyes peeled, ladies and gentlemen. I am afraid of the dark, so my eyes are going to be closed. Good luck. I know, right?
Krampus?
What'd you call me?
What? No.
Now, my friend Squirt loves to spray naughty people. I'm going to try to time this out. Sit. If you were nicest here, you have nothing to worry about. He's really well behaved, so let's just... No! Watch out! Wah! Ah! Ah! You can at least play along, sweetheart. You know, ladies and gentlemen, I bet you're asking yourself, Skipper Andrew, that's first name Skipper, last name Andrew. It's a family name, in case you were wondering. Is that water coming out of their trunks? And I'm here to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, it's snot. We're gonna try that again, okay? It's snot! That hurt more than the first time. Yeah. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's been real, it's been fun. Some would say it's been real fun, but ho, 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 you gotta go, okay? Yeah. Please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat at all times. Parents, supervise those children. Children, supervise those parents. I don't trust them either, okay? Now, ladies and gentlemen, that was really traumatic, so we're all family now, whether you like it or not. Sure sounds like family to me, so I'm going to send you guys off as if you were part of my family. So before I let you stand up, please, take a moment to collect all your personal belongings, your shoes, your keys, your wallet, your kids. I don't have any. I don't want any. And without further ado, folks, I have been waiting to say these words to you guys since the moment you got on my boat. Get out. Oh my God, a standing ovation. Yes, shouldn't have. I am a middle child. I love attention. That's Skipper Andrew, spelled H-E-L-P. M-E. Yeah. Thank you guys for letting me be part of your world. I'm not Ariel, but I do smell like fish, so yeah.
Piglet. Hey, the pool.
Hi friends, excuse us.
Tigger. Hey, Tigger.
Times like these, I wish we were in Disneyland. I don't want it to turn too fast. Oh my
Hello.
I don't know who to hug first.
How are you? Doing good? Oh, really? Yeah.
Oh, money.
No.
Fireworks will light up the sky with holiday magic in just a few minutes. In order to fully experience tonight's presentation, the lighting around the Magic Kingdom will be reduced. For your own safety and for that of others, we ask that you remain in the same location until the lighting returns to normal. Get ready. Our seasonal celebration will begin in just a few minutes.
Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Oh, we're just so happy to be with all of you this season. It's my favorite time of the year. And you know what? With all of us together, I just know something wonderful is about to happen. Oh my, there's magic in the air.
Season's greetings!
Happy holidays
Welcome to Mickey's very Merry Christmas party!
and our most merriest celebration.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. Most wonderful time of the year.
Look who's here!
It's Mickey and his friends!
Hi, everybody! Welcome to our most merriest celebration!
Merry Christmas!
Happy holidays!
We wish you the merriest, the merriest.
The merriest?
Yes, the merriest!
All I want for Christmas is you.
Well, looky there!
She's wonderful!
You, baby, oh, I won't ask for much this Christmas. I don't even wish for snow.
I'm just gonna keep on waiting underneath the mistletoe.
I just want you.
Christmas time's coming, Christmas time's coming, Christmas time's coming, and I know I'm going home.
Howdy, everybody! Glad you're here, cause it ain't Christmas without a good old ho-ho-ho down!
Just like we celebrate back home!
Come on, everyone! Put those hands together!
Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer.
Grab your partner, do-si-do! Ho-ho-ho down, here we go!
Friends, Ridley, Goofy!
This is fun!
Come on, then!
It's our friends from Fantasyland.
Oh, it looks like everybody got our invitation.
So, what's with the bells?
You told us to give you a ring. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I sure do love the sound of Christmas bells.
What beautiful Christmas bells! What Christmas bells! Oops! Oh, Mickey, it's time.
What's that? Oh, right. We'll be right back with a big holiday surprise.
We've got our own holiday surprise. Jingling, jingling, I love to hear our laughter mingle. Ha ha! Ho ho! Flying through the snow. All together now. Jingling, 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 our bells are got the snowflakes dancing. Jingling, 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 our dolls keep on prancing. Jingling, 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 our time is made for sweet romancing. Ha ha! Ho ho! Ha ha! Ho ho! Ring those Christmas bells. Ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling.
Surprise!
It's Santa and Mrs. Claus!
Ho, ho, ho!
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeer pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing,
Things are getting pretty cold.
I had to add a layer, guys, because I get cold easily. This is my new jacket, though.
Howdy, folks. Lisa's glad you can make it to our party. It's so swell to see you here. I'll be home for Christmas. You can count on me. I'll be home for Christmas. Everyone looks so happy. It makes me happy to be happy. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Ooh, a snowflake. Maybe I can catch it on my tongue. Hey, what's that jingling sound?
Jingle